How to get a business loan even when you think there's no way you can qualify. Conventional banks have strict qualification requirements. They are not a good place to look for startup loans or if you have poor personal credit. Usually, they want 2 to 3 years of tax returns before they will lend you any money. If you're lucky, you might get a single credit card. Over 89% of business applications are denied by the big banks. What do lenders want to see? Lenders generally want to know you have enough assets, sufficient financial reserves, and enough personal collateral to ride out business fluctuations. How do loan applicants demonstrate this? Borrowers must show solid cash flow, sufficient to repay the loan, a track record of profitability, and success in a similar business endeavor. Essentially, this is to prove creditworthiness. Let's look at startup loans. Get specialized financing to buy things you need to get your business started, or get loans to put up commercial signs. Equipment financing and leasing is available to buy new equipment. You can even get loans to get graphic wraps for vehicles. Your best bet is collateral-based loans. Collateral makes lenders more comfortable. They have something in case you default. Use your assets as collateral. Rates are often 5% or less. Your personal credit rating doesn't matter. Types of collateral you can use include stocks, your 401k, existing inventory, and accounts receivable. You can work with a guarantor. Ask friends or family members with these kinds of assets. They may let you leverage their asset in exchange for a percentage of your business. They usually want less of a share of your company than a VC would. 401k financing is typical. Let's look at 401k financing. You can use an existing 401k or IRA as collateral for business financing. Pay no tax penalties. This program uses IRS proven strategies. You can still earn interest on your 401k. Low rates, often less than 5%. Close and fund in less than 3 weeks. Can usually get up to 100% of what's rollable within your 401k. What about securities-based financing? Use existing stocks as leverage for business financing. Borrow as much as 90% of the value of your stocks. You continue to earn interest on the stocks pledged as collateral. Closing and funding takes less than 3 weeks. There is a 70 to 90% loan to value. Rates may be as low as 1.6%. It is a working capital line of credit, but you will have challenged personal credit. Let's look at accounts receivable factoring. Get forwarded up to 80% of receivables. You must be in business for 1 year at minimum. These must be receivables from another business. Rates of 1.33% or more. Get money in under 24 hours. Remainder of the accounts receivable is released once the invoice is paid in full. Closing takes 2 weeks or less. Let's explore accounts receivable financing. Get an accounts receivable credit line with rates of less than 1%, with no consumer credit requirement. Receivables should be with the government or another business. If you also have purchase orders, you can get financing to have those filled. You won't need to use your cash flow to do so. Check out inventory financing. Use existing inventory as collateral. You'll need inventory valued at $500,000 or more. Get approved for a line of credit for 50% of inventory value. Let's recap. Conventional banks and loans are a problem, and so are private investors. Instead, get creative with collateral. This includes cash flow financing, or try the SBA for some forms of loans, as these are often for startups. Try Square and PayPal, or unsecured business financing, and build business credit, and then you'll never have to depend on lenders again. Contact us today to learn more about how to get a business loan even when you think there's no way you can qualify.